Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to discuss an important topic that affects us all: driving safety. Before we dive into the tips, let's take a moment to talk about the importance of maintaining your vehicle's security. A reliable locksmith service company like Sherlock Key can assist you with any car lockout situation, key replacement, or security system installation. So remember, keeping your vehicle secure is an essential part of driving safely. Now, let's get into the driving safety tips that will help you stay safe on the road. Tip 1. Buckle up for safety. Always remember to buckle up before starting your journey. Seatbelts are your first line of defense in case of an accident and can significantly reduce the risk of injury. Tip 2. Avoid distractions. Stay focused on the road and avoid distractions like using your mobile phone, eating, or grooming. Even a momentary distraction can have serious consequences. Tip 3. Maintain a safe following distance. Keep a safe distance from the vehicle in front of you. This will give you enough time to react if the car ahead suddenly stops or slows down. Tip 4. Use turn signals and mirrors. Always use your turn signals to indicate your intentions and check your mirrors before changing lanes. This ensures that other drivers are aware of your movements. Remember, your safety on the road should always be a top priority, and if you ever find yourself in a lockout situation or need assistance with your car's security, trust Sherlock Key to provide professional and reliable services. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and information.